Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Help Guy. So, for today, I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a microphone in your PC or in your laptop. So, how we want to do this is we're going to down the third party. So, use this one, WooMic. This is one example. You can download it. Click on this, go to downloads. Then it has an option if Android phone or iPhone. So, for Android, click on this installer. It's going to ask to reboot the system. Just click on yes, and then you'll have this icon. Now, once you have this icon, there are actually four ways to connect. So you have the Wi-Fi direct. You also have normal Wi-Fi. Then you have a USB, so you can connect the phone and PC using a cable, USB cable, and then from here can also use Bluetooth. So depending on which option you'd want, this is how you use WooMic. Now, of course, do not forget as well to download the application on either your App Store or on your Google Play Store. That's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Talk Help Guy.